So guys, in today's video we will see 3 simple science trick, or you can even call it as a magic trick, and I am sure that you will surely be amazed after seeing this video. And if you try this with your friends or family members, even they will be amazed. So don't skip even a single part of this video. So see the video from first to last. So now let's start. So guys, I have 2 paper cups in front of me. Under one paper cup there is a matchbox, as you can see over here. And there is nothing under the second paper cup. So guys, now the real magic starts. See how our matchbox moves from one cup to another. Oh, how did this happen? Wow, it once again changed its place. So guys, now it's the time to reveal this. First, for this you need to take 2 paper cups. Now using a scissor you have to cut the back part of the paper cup so that it can bend inwards. After cutting the cup, it will look like this. See how it is moving inwards. You have to do the same thing on both the cups. Now you have to take 2 matchbox and keep it under both the cups. So guys, to show you, I am keeping this to front side. But while you are doing the magic, you have to keep this cut on your side. First you have to show that there is a matchbox inside the first cup. But while showing the second cup, you have to hold this matchbox by the cut you have made on the paper cup. It looks like nothing is there under the second cup. To create a magical environment, you can do some actions. And now, while you are taking the first paper cup, you have to hold the matchbox by the cut and keep it as it is in the second paper cup. So guys, in our second trick, I took a normal matchbox like this. See all the sides. It is a normal matchbox and it even has some matchsticks inside it. So now I will turn it and try to put these matchsticks down. Oh, what happened to this? It is not falling down. Even if I shake it, it is not falling down. But guys, don't think that I have fixed the matchsticks with the glue, because now I will remove it and show you. So guys, did you see it? So now let's reveal this. So guys, first for this you need to take a normal matchbox. And then you have to take any one matchstick from it. Now you have to see the width of the matchbox by this matchstick. And then using a scissor, you can cut the length of the matchstick equal to the width of the matchbox. Now you have to keep this matchstick like this. And guys, now when you hold this matchstick and turn it down, even the other matchsticks will not fall down. Even if you shake it, it will not fall down. So guys, wasn't it amazing? If yes, then don't forget to like this video. So guys, now let's see the third trick, and this you can even call it as a science trick. So first, for this you need to take 2 matchsticks and then you need a coin for this. You can take any coin, but here I am using this 2 rupees coin. So guys, now you have to make some setup like this, and you have to keep the second matchstick upon the coin and try to balance these 2 matchsticks. So now let's burn both the matchsticks and see what happens. Guys, see here, the second matchstick is moving upwards, and now we can remove this coin. So guys, now let's try this once again and see it clearly. So guys, I don't know why this happens, but if you know anything about this, then don't forget to comment me down. So guys, how was the video? If the video was nice, then please like the video, and if you are new to the channel and if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to the channel, and guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care.